So at the U.S. Department of Education, I lead the department's early learning agenda. There are numerous investments at the U.S. Department of Education that touch public ed and beyond that really can be leveraged to support the healthy development of young children and families. I get the privilege and honor to be able to help coordinate that work internally. I also have the honor of being able to work closely with the Department of Health and Human Services. So while there are really important programs at the Department of Ed, there's also critically important programs that touch children and families and communities at the Department of Health and Human Services. Our president has put an incredibly bold vision on the table, a place where we have not been in our field in 50 years and maybe ever, right, in terms of calling for historic investments in early care and education. And so I get to work closely, again, with HHS and our administration to be able to do the work to make that a reality. You know, I don't think we can have a conversation about quality, about inclusion, about culturally and linguistically responsive care, about developmentally appropriate, if we're not thinking about the workforce, the supports they need to get into the profession, what we do to keep them in, and how we support them in their continuous learning and growing. What's really exciting to me is the moment that we're in. Again, you know, the Build Back Better agenda and what the president has put on the table is the moment and the opportunity to be able to truly advance this field, to bring resources into communities and in states that will make the reality of affordable, accessible, high-quality childcare and preschool available to more families, to make sure that we can do it in ways that support families, that support educators doing the work. Last but not least, like what we're going to be able to do for children, right? When we can really deliver the experiences that we know are essential and that will build on the innate brilliance and curiosity that young children bring and how they grow in the context of their families and with their caregivers, like that we could really truly deliver that for more children is super exciting to me.